Today's lesson is 좋아해요. 좋아해요. 좋아요 means I like in English and it is very useful expression in Korean. Let's see some examples. 커피를 좋아해요. 커피를 좋아해요. 크리스마스를 좋아해요. 크리스마스를 좋아해요. 한국을 좋아해요. 한국을 좋아해요. BTS를 좋아해요. BTS를 좋아해요. 재즈를 좋아해요. 재즈를 좋아해요. 노란색을 좋아해요. 노란색을 좋아해요. Can you tell me what do you like in Korean? Well done. 잘했어요. Hope it was helpful and see you next videos. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. 감사합니다.